rounded and focused feature, we continue to dive deeply into government contracts as a source of cash flow for your business. And we must make you aware of a very important point. Some government contracts require materials, labor, or services to be financed before reimbursement. This means that businesses must be aware of options for short-term financing, credit facilities, and internal reserves. This information will help businesses reduce operational risk during a contract execution. As an example, our client Trevon once rejected a contract due to lack of upfront funds. But professional advice introduced structured credit options with his bank, turning hesitation into capability to fulfill the government contract. Why? Because his business structure gave the bank confidence to lend him the money upfront to complete the contract and repay in a reasonable time frame.